Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the sudo command. Okay, the sudo is kind of a stand for SuperUser Do. This command enables you to perform the tasks that require the administrative or the root permissions. Alright. First of all, let me just open up the terminal. Now I have to open up the files. So now I'm gonna demonstrate the sudo command. What does the sudo command is simply doing that it gives you the privileges of the administrator. Okay, so when I just hit the enter, it will ask me for the password for being an administrator. So I'm gonna give it the password that I have provided when I was installing this. Okay, so now I have created this file but with the administrative privileges. So as you can see this little log icon here, it simply means that this file was simply created by the administrator, and you can also see here that it is read only, so I cannot simply edit it. So if I just try to edit it randomly and try to save the file, okay, save as and save, okay, you can see that it is giving me the error that could not save the file because I don't have the privileges to change the file or edit the file. Okay, so this is how the sudo command works. Okay, so this is the difference of using the sudo command. All right, so I just have to cancel it. So this was for the specific task. So if I just want to do another file, or if I just want to create another file, then I have to write the sudo again and again. So for the first .txt, and it won't ask me for the password again, but I have to use the sudo again and again whenever I have to use the power of the administrator. But there is another way of doing the same thing. So you're gonna write the su, and now you're gonna write the password for the root user access. Now whatever you create here will be done as the administrator. Okay, so whatever file I will create here will be done as the administrator. So I just want to create the touch second file, and I don't need to write the sudo again and again now. Okay, you can see that, and it also has this log sign, which means this was created by the administrator. Okay, so this is how you use the sudo command, and this is the functionality of the sudo command. It gives you the privilege of the administrator. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.